Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be going over 7 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General, and one is as low as $3.33 out of pocket. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Now, just in case you missed it yesterday, I did upload a video with a preview of the June PNG insert, and in that video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So if you missed that video, I'm going to link it in a pinned comment down below, so go and check that out and make sure that you are entered to win the giveaway. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so you want to make sure that you scan each item in your app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to price check each item because prices do vary from store to store, and the tags on the shelves may not always be correct. Alright guys, so first up we have a couple of Gain deals that we're going to go over. So for this first one, you want to pick up one of the Gain 51 count flings for $13.50. One of the Gain fabric softeners that are priced at $3.95. Now you can substitute in a different Gain item that's priced at $3.95 like the sheets or the flings. Then you want to pick up one of the Febreze Gain Scented Wax Melts for $3 and two of the Febreze Gain Scented Plugins for $10. They are $5 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 30 Gain, your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Gain 51 count flings, the 1 off 1 Gain product, the 1 off 1 Febreze wax melts, and the 5 off 2 Febreze plugins. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.45 for 5 items, or just $2.09 each, which is pretty good considering those 51 count flings started out at $13.50. Alright, so for the second Gain deal, you want to pick up two of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaners for $6. They are $3 each. One of the Febreze Gain Scented Wax Melts for $3. One of the Gain Scented Febreze Car Clips 2 count, and you want to make sure you pick up the Moonlight Breeze. At least that's the only one that I can find that is attaching to both the Car Clips coupon and the Gain 5 off 30 coupon. So those are priced at $5. Two of the Febreze Gain Scented Plugins for $10. One of the Gain Flings or any other Gain item that is priced at $3.95. One of the Gain Dish Soaps for $2. And one Gain 15 count sheets or another $1 Gain item from the dollar aisle. Your subtotal will be $30.95. And here are the coupons that you want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 30 Gain, your 5 off 25, 1 off 2 Mr. Clean products, 1 off 1 Febreze Wax Melts, 1 off 1 Febreze Car Clips, the 5 off 2 Febreze Plugins, the 1 off 1 Gain product, and the 1 off 1 Gain Dish Soap. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.95 for 9 items, or just $1.21 each. Now, just a quick reminder, when you do Gain scenarios, it is very, very important that you scan each and every item in your app under the list feature, because some Gain scented products and some Gain products do not work with the coupons. So you want to make sure that all 3 coupons show up under your product that you scanned when you are in the list feature. So for example, on the screen here, I have, it looks like some flings that are priced at $6.95. Then we have a 2 off 1 coupon. Now these are older coupons. I'm just using this as an example, but you'll have the individual coupon for that product right up there at the top. Then underneath it, you'll see the 5 off 30. And then right underneath that, you'll see the 5 off 25. So especially when you're doing all digital deals, you want to make sure that you see 3 coupons under each product. Alright, so next up we have a household deal. For this one, you want to pick up one of the Charmin Essentials bath tissues. Those are on sale right now for $4.95. One of the Gain dish soaps for $2. One Tylenol 24 count for $4. One of the Microban sprays for $3.25. Two of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $5. One of the Pine Sols for $2. One Lime Away for $1. You can find those in the dollar aisle. And one of the Airwick starter kits for $3.35. Your subtotal will be $25.55. And here are the digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Charmin bath tissue, the 1 off 1 Gain dish soap, the 2 off 1 Tylenol, 1 off 1 Microban, the 2 off 2 Mr. Clean products, the 35 cents off 1 Pine Sol, the 75 cents off 1 Lime Away, and the 150 off 1 Airwick product. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.95 for 9 items, or just $1.21 each. Alright, so next up we have a really awesome food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 4 of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauces. They are on sale this week, buy one, get one free. So that's going to put you at $4. 2 of the Betty Crocker Suddenly Salads for $2. They are also buy one, get one free this week. 3 of the Ritz Cheese Crispers. They are on sale 3 for $3. 1 of the Sargento Balanced Breaks for $1.25. 1 of the Ocean Spray Cran Tropical Drinks for $1. 2 of the Prego Pasta Sauces for $4. 1 of the Barilla Pasta Noodles. Those are on sale. Buy 2 of the Pregos, get the Barilla Noodles for free. Then you want to pick up 3 of the Knorr Pasta Sides for $3 and 3 of the Clover Valley Corn and Green Beans for $1.50. They are on sale 2 for $1. Then you want to pick up 1 Folgers single 7 count for $1, 2 of the Nestle Splash Waters 4 packs for $3. They are $1.50 each, 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents, and 1 Airwick Warmer. We're just doing this as a filler item for $1.65. Your subtotal will be $26.08. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25. The 1 off 3 Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce from this past Sunday's inserts. The 1 off 2 Ritz crackers. 1 off 1 Sargento Balanced Break. 25 cents off 1 Ocean Spray. The buy 2 Prego get 1 Barilla Noodles for free. The buy 3 Knorr Pasta Sides and get 1 Clover Valley Vegetables for free. 1 off 1 Folgers. 1 off 2 Nestle Splash Waters. 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks, and the 150 off 1 Airwick product. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $11.43 for 26 items, or just 43 cents each. Now that is an awesome deal, and we rarely get really good food deals like this, guys, so that's pretty awesome. Now, I do want to mention, I know that a lot of you guys just do all digital deals, so if you don't have that 1 off 3 for the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce insert coupon from last Sunday's inserts, that's okay. You can still do the deal. You're just going to pay $1 more after coupons. So your subtotal after coupons will be just $12.43. You're still getting 26 items, so that's still a really great deal. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, this is kind of a mix and match deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Gain dish soaps for $2, 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $5, 1 of the Charmin Essentials bath tissues for $4.95, 3 of the Ritz Cheese Crispers for $3, 1 of the Folgers singles 7 count for $1, 2 of the Prego pasta sauces for $4, 1 of the Barilla noodles, and like I said, those are on sale. Buy 2 Prego sauces and get the noodles for free. 2 of the Colgate 3 count toothbrushes for $5.50, and 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents. Your subtotal will be $26.13. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Gain dish soap, 2 off 2 Mr. Clean products, 1 off 1 Charmin bath tissue, the 1 off 2 Ritz crackers, the 1 off 1 Folgers, the buy 2 Prego sauces and get the Barilla noodles for free, 4 off 2 Colgate, and the 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.73 for 15 items, or just 58 cents each. Alright guys, so next up we have a little personal care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Safeguard hand soaps for $6. They are $3 each. 1 of the Olay Moisturizer Night Creams for $6.75. 2 of the Colgate 3-pack toothbrushes for $5.50. 1 of the CoverGirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4.50. And 1 of the Always Discreet liners for $3. Your subtotal will be $25.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure of your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Safeguard Hand Soap, the 3 off 1 Olay Moisturizer, the 4 off 2 Colgate, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl Eye Product, and the 2 off 1 Always Discreet Liners. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.75 for 7 items, or just 82 cents each, and that's a pretty quick little easy deal for you. Alright guys, and last but not least, here is our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, I could barely fit it all on the screen, but here we go. You want to pick up one of the Always Discreet Liners for $3, one of the Craz-E toothpaste for $2, one of the St. Ives body washes for $3, one of the Gain dish soaps for $2, one of the Airwick warmers for $1.65, two of the Colgate 3-count toothbrushes for $5.50, one of the Lime-A-Way toilet bowl cleaners for $1, one of the Rexall vitamin D3s for $2, one of the St. Joseph's aspirins for $2, one of the Sargento balance breaks for $1.25, one of the Folgers singles 7-count for $1, and two of the Welch's fruit snacks. Your subtotal will be $25.08. Now, for this scenario, I did not make a separate slide with all of the pictures of the coupons. It probably would have taken up 3 or 4 slides, to be honest with you. But all of these coupons have been pictured either in this video or in one of my videos from this week. But here is your list of coupons. So you want to make sure of your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Always Discreet Liners, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 150 off 1 St. Ives product, 1 off 1 Gain dish soap, 150 off 1 Airwick warmer, 4 off 2 Colgate, 75 cents off 1 Lime-A-Way, the 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, 1 off 1 St. Joseph's aspirin, 1 off 1 Sargento balance break, 1 off 1 Folgers, and the 1 off 2 Welch's fruit snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.33 for 14 items, or just 23 cents each. Now that is an awesome deal. Now, before we go, I want to remind everyone to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app. This is the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you've purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, I don't know what you're waiting on. My referral code is on the screen here, as well as in the description box below. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So go sign up, and don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app after you get done doing your Saturday scenarios. And also, if you do any Gain deals, or if you pick up any P&G products this weekend, make sure that you scan your receipt into the pngoodeveryday.com website. I have a link in the description box if you want to go and sign up, and you can earn points on those P&G products as well. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. Thank you all so much for coming by and hanging out with me for a minute today. If you are here during the premiere in the live chat, thank you all so much. I really do appreciate it, and I really enjoy being able to talk to you guys in the live chat during those premieres. So thank you all so much. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you do that before you go. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or make a post. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments, deals you want to share, any of that good stuff, leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. And don't forget to go and check out my last video and enter to win into the giveaway. Alright guys, like I said, that's it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.